So, everybody, welcome to my brownie baking short. So, I'm gonna be starting another new series where basically I'm just gonna show you guys some mini shorts, whether it be me cooking or me posting on my schoolwork or me doing other stuff, basically. So, this is just a glove. I have the other pair right here. So, yeah. And that is Mickey Mouse, if you were wondering. That is Mickey Mouse over there. So, yeah. Yeah, thanks for the support on the channel. So, thank you for that. And I will be posting a lot more videos soon. So, stay tuned, hit that notification bell, and see you in this video right there. The one you're watching right now. Yeah. Bye. So, hope you liked me baking brownies. I know it was short, but as I said, I'm starting another series called Short Videos where I'm just posting random videos. Here's my glove again. So, yeah. Hope you enjoy this series, and I hope you guys are having safe and good times. Yeah. Hit that notification bell. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. Dislike this video if you want to dislike it. So thank you. Bye.